So welcome back to the Rod Shop channel here with Saxy Rod Shop. We're going to touch base on this C10 that we got in here. So some of the stuff that we've actually already got done. We had some audio problems on some of our earlier videos. Actually some of the very first videos that we did with this truck. So we're just going to touch base and kind of give you a little bit of a recap intro of what we've done and where we are. So one of the things that we've done on this truck, he wanted the engine compartment cleaned up, and in some of the pictures you'll see where the hoses were coming across, wiring, ignition boxes were out here. It had a big old giant brake booster on it, plus an ugly master cylinder. So one of the things that we've actually done is we've stripped all the firewall, stripped it down to the bare metal, welded up all the holes, and then we've started basically from scratch. And we relocated and rerouted all the AC lines to come out through the kick panel. They come up over the wheel well, come out over to the compressor. Wiring, we did the same thing over on that side. We relocated where it came out and brought it up over the wheel and cleaned up all the wiring up under here. We've done all that. We've cleaned this area up. And then we turned around and we actually repainted all the firewall back with the satin blue. We got that done. Part of the reason that this came about is this car had an import brand of fuel injection on it. I call it that. And a customer bought this truck at one of the name brand auctions that we see on TV all the time and owned it for over a year and just couldn't drive it. So while it was here, we converted it to the Holley Terminator control system. We reused the existing mechanics, but all the electronics and controlling of that, we converted it to something that's a little bit more up to date, user-friendly and tunable. So in that caused us to end up having to rewire the whole truck. This truck was covered in butt connectors. I think we counted over 200 plus butt connectors in what looked like to be a brand new wiring harness. There's no call for that. So we've actually rewired the truck and we relocated a lot of stuff. So that's kind of where we are, what we started with on the truck. for reaction. So, give you a little update on the C10 project. We've actually got it started and running. We've been driving it around the parking lot a little bit here, letting the computer start building up some memory and some starting memory and some of that stuff, and just verifying the operation of the temperature and the electric fans. Just some of those small items there. But currently, one of the last things that we got to do on this truck is Brandon is fabbing us up some panels here, to cover panels for the grill area, core support, radiator. It's also going to incorporate mounting and attaching the radiator and fan assembly. We're going to also have it come over and hide the battery on this side, and then we'll do the same thing over on this side to have it symmetrical, and then that all will get painted body color of the satin that we did on the firewall. And the wheel tubs will actually come out at that time. We'll paint all the pieces. The wheel tubs and these pieces will get painted at that time. But you can see here what Brandon's got going on. So this is how he's starting this project. He's got his flat piece of metal here. He's got a design laid out on it. This is where he'll do his bead rolling. And of course he starts out with the flat panel. You can see here he's going to roll the bead in it, like so. And then after the bead or the step roll is done in it, that's when he's going to come over and use this piece of equipment that we have here, which is a roll brake. And that's what he's going to use to put that curve in there. And then he'll do the final trimming and fitting. And we've got some nut certs put in here. And we'll be using these Billet Specialties countersunk screws on all that. So that's kind of where we are currently on the C10 project. And we've been doing a little time lapse that you can follow along, and you can see what we started with among that time lapse and where we're headed. So Brandon got all the stuff done on the radiator covers and whatnot on the C10. So Eli's currently taking all this apart, and we're getting it over to the paint shop, and we're going to get started priming and painting it. And we also got to pull out the wheel tubs also. That's where we are on this right now. It's getting ready for paint. So we got all the parts done on the C10 here. Anthony got them all painted. This engine radiator cover, battery cover, whatever you want to call it, cowl or grill area. So as we've talked earlier, we've done a lot to this truck. Customer decided he wanted the engine compartment cleaned up. We've relocated all the hoses down, brought them down, welded up, smoothed in the firewall, converted it to Hydro Boost power brakes, got rid of the big old ugly booster, converted it to Holley control system, even though it still has the mechanics of the Phytech stuff on it. But one of the main things we're talking about here is we've got the finished product all on here. You can see here how we brought all this down to hide all that ugly behind there. Brought in the fans, kind of incorporated some covering around the fans, hiding the batteries back behind here. But we decided to keep access to the radiator, and this is actually the reservoir for the power steering. We were having some issues with noise with the Hydro Boost and the pump, so we ended up going to this remote reservoir from Billet Specialties, and naturally, as typical things go, we got it all on here, and it actually had an internal leak. Had a bad O-ring, just wasn't sealing, so we had to get some new O-rings from the manufacturer of the tank, drain the whole system, put all that back together, and of course now it's all working just fine. But you can see the nice satin finish. We've stripped the wheel wells, got all those done, went to the satin paint. And this is actually a paint. It's got clear on it, or the blue, and then it's got the satin clear on it. So it turned out really nice. That's kind of what the finished product of this looks like on here. We still got other things to do on the truck. We got to put carpet in it, finish assembling the interior, adjust the suspension front and rear a little bit. I believe we need to go have a front end alignment done, and then just do some test driving on this, and then a clean and detail on it. So that's kind of where we are on the end of this week, finishing up the C10. I can't think of anything else on this that we've done. So again, I want to thank everybody for following our channel, supporting us, doing the like and subscribe, telling your friends about it, and hit that bell so you'll get our notifications also when we come out with our new videos, because sometimes we come out with some new stuff in midweek also. So everybody have a good weekend this weekend. It's great weather, supposed to be nice, cruising weather. Everybody be safe. We'll talk to you later. Thank you.